to start our dream jars, we are going to need a sponge scrubby, cut out quote that you would like to have, the little dreams one, fit to make sure that it will lay on your glass, and you're going to need Scotch tape and also some scissors. So the first step that you're going to do is, after you cut out your little dreams quote, is that you are going to put it down on some tape. So I'm using Scotch tape, which is fine. It also gives it a little bit of a more worn look. If you want your print to be more standing out, then you would use probably a heavier quality, like a duct tape, like a clear duct tape. Put that on. And really push down to make sure the image sticks to the tape. Really press it. You can use any sort of tool you have lying around. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take this and we are going to put it in water, submerge it fully. You're going to do this for at least 5 minutes, but the longer you do it, the better. So the ideal time would probably be closer to an hour. You'll set this aside, and then once you have one that's been soaking for a while, what you're going to do is you are going to lightly take your scrubby and you are going to scrub off the paper backing. And once you do that, you're just gonna go like that. Keep scrubbing until you are left with this clear sticker. And you're going to cut it out to get it closer to the shape you want. Once you have that, it should still be nice and sticky. You're going to take your jar and you're going to stick it right on.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.